In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move position in Framer. First, open Framer in your browser and sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see your recent work. Click the project you want to edit to open it on the canvas. This takes you into the editor, where you can work with pages, frames, and components. Next, select the page you want to work on. You can do this from the left sidebar in the Pages panel or by clicking directly on the page in the canvas. Selecting the right item matters because the settings you'll change apply to whatever is currently selected. If you mean to move a specific frame, section, or element inside the page, make sure that exact layer is selected before you continue. Look to the right side of the editor for the Properties panel. Click the Style tab. This tab holds visual controls like layout, spacing, and position that affect how your selected item sits on the canvas. Within the Style tab, locate the position controls. You'll see X and Y fields. X controls the horizontal position from the left edge of the parent, and Y controls the vertical position from the top edge. Think of these as coordinates on a grid, measured in pixels by default. Now adjust the X and Y values to move your selection precisely. You can type a number for an exact placement, use your keyboard arrow keys for small nudges, or hold Shift while tapping arrows for larger jumps. Many fields also support click and drag scrubbing over the value to move smoothly. Positive X moves right, negative X moves left. Positive Y moves down, negative Y moves up. As you tweak the numbers, watch the canvas to confirm alignment. If your layer is inside another frame, remember that the coordinates are relative to that parent, not the whole page. That's it. You've opened your project, selected the page, gone to the Style panel, found position, and adjusted X and Y for precise control. Make a quick pass to confirm spacing, and you're done.